Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make decoration that can be put on a Christmas tree or on a gift. First project. I start by cutting 6 metal wire 4-inch long. I use a 26 gauge aluminum wire for this. Then I make a hook at one end. Here, with my hot glue gun, I draw my icicle. Now I put some sparkling powder. Once the glue are cold, I turn my icicle and repeat the same steps. My icicle is ready to use in my Christmas tree or on a gift. Second project. Holly leaves in brown paper. I start by cutting 6 rectangles of 3 inches by 2 inches from an old grocery paper bag. Then, using a leaf pattern, I cut 6 leaves. Here, using white glue, I glue the metal wire on the leaves, then I let it dry. For the berries, I use a wooden beads in which I pass a metal wire. Here, I cover the metal wire with green florist ribbon, but you can use another color. If you don't have a florist ribbon, you can use masking tape. It's time to assemble all parts. To give a more Christmas effect, I add gold ink. There you go. You can use this decoration in a Christmas tree or on a gift wrapping. Third project. Now the holly leaves in aluminum foil. I start by cutting 6 rectangles of 3 inches by 2 inches from aluminum foil I recycled from a cat food packaging. Then, using a leaf pattern, I cut 6 holly leaves. Here I draw a leaf veins on the reverse side of the aluminum foil. For the berries, I use a silver button in which I pass a metal wire. To hide the metal wire in the center of the button, I put hot glue that I soak in a sparkling powder. Here I use a hot glue to fix the wire on the aluminum foil. Now I hide the aluminum wire with green florist tape. It's time to assemble the decoration. There you go. Three small projects that are easy to complete and can be used on a gift wrapping or in a Christmas tree. If you liked this video, click like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.